Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be a review on a plethora of different brands and products. So if you want to see what I'm going to be reviewing today, please keep watching. Don't touch my hair. Alright, so the first brand I'm going to be reviewing is the Main Choice. I'm going to be reviewing their POW Products Obsessively Working Collection. This is a shampoo and conditioner. I got this in a curl box maybe a month ago, 2 months ago. The packaging is super duper cute. It's more of like a, what do you call it? Comic, a comic book type of packaging, super duper cute. So I'm going to go ahead and use that shampoo conditioner to cleanse and condition my hair. Then I'm going to come in with this Mielle Rosemary Mint Blend Strengthening and Leave-In Conditioner. All these products are new. I have never used any of these, so I'm interested to see how they work on my hair, and most of all, how they work together. So I purchased this for Black Friday. I'm going to be trying this out and giving you my thoughts on this leave-in. I'm going to be, actually, I skipped over the deep conditioner. I showed this in a couple videos back. I still never used it. The cap is still literally on here. I've never taken it off. This is the Curlsmith Multitasking Conditioner, 3-in-1. This is, you can use it as a leave-in, a rinse out, or a deep conditioner. I'm going to use it as a deep conditioner today in the shower. And last but not least, I'm going to review this Maui Moisture Ultra Hold Gel Curling Quench Coconut Oil for thick and curly hair. So this is going to be my today's wash day. Let's go ahead and get started. I'll meet you guys in the shower. Guys, let's go ahead and get this wash day started. Starting off with some 4 to 5 day old hair, and it's ready. It's time for a wash day. So let's tackle this head. I'm going to first start by saturating my hair. Then I'm going to go on with the shampoo from the POW collection, which means Products Obsessively Working Collection. This is the consistency of the shampoo. It smelled like grapes. And so the shampoo just didn't wow me, y'all. I actually didn't like it. I did not like it at all, to the point where I'll probably never use it again. It stripped my hair. It lathered very well. It was just no moisture at all. It felt good in my hair, but once I rinsed it out, my hair felt like straw. Like, it was so tough. It was just horrible. So then I went in with the conditioner from the same collection. And this came in and saved the absolute day. So maybe these products were meant to be like super clarifying and then super moisturizing. I don't know. I just was not a fan of the shampoo at all. But the conditioner, I would definitely use that again. You can see my face. I was happy once I put this in my hair, because it restored all the moisture. And even after I rinsed my hair out, it still felt super duper good. So next we're going to go in with the Curlsmith Multitasking Conditioner. Y'all, this stuff just glided on into my hair. It penetrated my hair shaft with no problems. It felt amazing. I can see why this can be used for a leave-in, a deep conditioner. And I love that as a deep conditioner, and I will be using this as a leave-in as well. So stay tuned for the rest. All right, guys, so we're back in action. You guys saw me washing and shampooing my hair and the conditioner. I did not bring my leave-in conditioner in the shower like I normally do, so I'm going to go ahead and do it. But I did put a shower cap over my head so it can hold in the water so my hair won't be, dry. All right, so I got my hair parted in the front of how I want it. I'm going to do a deep side part today. So I'm going to go ahead and section my hair off like I normally do. But I'm actually going to apply the leave-in first before I section it off. So this is the consistency of the product. So it's thick. It smells like mint. It smells really good. This is a strengthening leave-in conditioner. So rosemary mint, I'm sorry, that's what's in it. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this all over my head and then section it off so the actual leave-in can have some time to penetrate my hair shaft. All right, so I applied the leave-in conditioner all over my hair. My first initial thoughts was that this is a super thick product for a leave-in. Okay, so here's the thing, is that I like thick products like this when I'm slicking my hair down, because I know it's going to moisturize my hair. But this is so thick, it was kind of hard for me to pump out of the bottle. So I would probably water it down a little bit with some water, like if I got halfway down, to make it stretch, and then I may love it then. Right now, I just like it, so I give it probably like a 7 out of 10. And I guess I have to use it for a long time to see about its strengthening. But biotin, mint, all that stuff. I do feel a little tingling on my scalp because I did kind of get some, into my hair. I mean, it's onto my scalp while putting it in my hair, but Nothing that's unbearable. But my only concern about a super thick product like that is the drying time. My hair taking longer to dry because it's so thick. So we'll see how that works. I usually use an oil in my wash and go routine, but because this product is so thick, I don't feel like I need this to lock in the moisture, so I'm going to skip out the oil. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get ready to do the Maui Moisture Hair Styling Curl Quench and Coconut Oil Styling Ultra Hold Gel. I never showed you guys the consistency of the gel, but here we are. Woo! This is not a thick gel, but it's not a thin gel. It's in between. I don't know what happened with my voice there. It's kind of in between. Okay. Wow. Do y'all see this? Talk about weighing your hair down, huh? Wow. And it's not even a super thick gel, but it's definitely getting my curls nicely. Much nicely. I'm gonna shingle these straight pieces because I don't want my hair to dry straight like that. One time I left it like that because I watched a YouTube video. She was like, oh yeah, just leave it to curl up. My hair did not curl up. It dried just like this. So I was like, I don't do that anymore. I make sure that I just either shake it to make it curl back up or whatever, and then I keep going. So let's go ahead and finish applying this all over my head. All right, guys, so I have it applied all over my head, and my curls look super duper good. I'm very pleased with what I've seen so far. I figured out why my hair was like super straight because my hair, I'm sorry you guys, because my hair was actually drying. So I sprayed some aloe vera juice in my hair, and then my curls just literally rolled, you know, whatever, curled right back up. And what I'm talking about was those straight pieces I showed you guys right here. It was doing that all around my hair, and I'm like, I don't like this. So I wet my hair more, and then it just like curled up, and I absolutely loved it. This is why wash and go must be done on soaking wet hair. This is why. Now I see why. So I'm going to go ahead and let my hair air dry for a little while, sit in a hooded dryer, and then I'll come back tomorrow and show you guys the whole drying part of the rest of it. So stay tuned till tomorrow. So here's the finished look of my hair. I can't say that I love it. I do like it. It's okay. I'll have to wash my hair probably tomorrow or day after. My hair is very soft. It's not hard to the touch like I would have expected it to be for that that gel. However, it did not give my hair a lot of hold. So my hair is like super duper soft, as you can see. Well, you probably can't see, but my hair is super soft here to the touch and almost like a blowout, and my ends are curly, so I don't really care for that type of look. So the gel I would probably pass on, probably wouldn't use it again. Compared to the Eco Styler gel, I would still use that one over this one. I just didn't, I don't know, it just wasn't, just wasn't for me. So let's do a quick recap of all the products and what I rate them and if it's a yes or a no to repurchase. So the first thing I talk about is shampoo. This is a no. I give it probably a 3 out of 10. Did not like it. It did cleanse my hair, but my hair felt super stripped afterwards. Conditioner, 10 out of 10. Absolutely love this. I would use this conditioner over and over again, and I would repurchase it. So yes to that. This multitasking conditioner, this felt really well on my hair. I can see myself using this as a leave-in as well. It was super lightweight, but it was super moisturizing. And when I rinsed this out as a deep conditioner, my hair still felt like super soft. So I would say yes to this. And like I said before, the gel, I would pass on it. It just didn't give me enough hold. Even though it says it's the Ultra Hold Gel, my hair is just super soft. So if you're somebody who like soft curls, then you might love this gel. I like something with kind of a medium hold, not too hard, not too soft, something that'll last me at least 3 or 4 days. So that's why I would say I pass on this gel. That leave-in forgot to talk about this. Leave-in super duper moisturizing, and my hair did not take long to dry like I thought it would. So I would still use this. Just, it's super thick, so just be careful with this. So that is my review on all of the products that I tried today, testing out new products. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel on your way out, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Bye.